Okay, welcome to a day of my life in Animal Crossing. It's been probably a while. I have tons of weeds, but the first thing I usually do is check my mail. And I have something from Label. And the Happy Home Academy ranked me a B. Okay, I guess. Right? I don't know why I put 2 fireplaces here. Honestly, my island is just a mess. I'm just really under construction. Because if you haven't seen one of my last videos, I had to restart everything all over. And so it's 7 o'clock. I live in Chicago. And look at Stitches is being cute as usual. See, look. He's so cute. He's like one of my favorite villagers. And look at his little weight. Oh look, she's new. I'm gonna talk to Stella. Stella's cute. I honestly think in like the past games before I've actually had her as one of my villagers, so I'm kinda happy. She's adorable. I also have Cherry. Okay, it's been 3 weeks, things are going in my face. But I guess I do feel loved. I do feel missed. And let's see. I will definitely go to a special character and buy something if they're here. So let's see. Some sandals, power boots, compression tights, bat wings, a tool bag, colored black socks, leggings. I do like that little retro bag. I also like the tool one. My boyfriend's an electrician, so I'm kind of like, I kind of want to like be like him, so I want that. And I'm gonna get that little red bag too, because I bought it before. My last time I had it before I restarted, and it was cute. What? Oh, of course. So let's see this little present. This is a ticket. I have to sell some things. So to make more space, I just planted a bunch of crazy flowers. Let me finish this one right here. Let's go sell this. Okay, so I will sell my old sewing machine, my striped socks, I don't think I need those, incense burner, no, all my fishies, fish bait, fuck it, get rid of my stone, I don't need that, I just need space, knife block, no, I need that, oh, definitely that. What do you guys do with your gold nuggets? Because I always just smell mine. I always just sell mine because I honestly, I feel like I know you can make stuff with it, but I don't know what I can make with it. Okay. As you can see, I have absolutely no Nook miles. I just suck at collecting Nook miles. Like, I'm the absolute worst. I don't know how people have, like, thousands and thousands and so many Nook mile tickets. Because they must have patience. Not really feeling anything. I literally love this little watering can, but I don't need one right now. A ghost umbrella? That is is adorable. No. Okay, so now that I made space, I'm gonna go back in my head before I forget. My outfit was inspired. Oh wait, what's on here? You got fleas in it? I swear I saw something. Okay, so now I'm gonna go walk over to... Oh! Cherry's making tons of different little faces. Okay, so anyways, it's getting kind of dark out. I haven't played in so long, I don't know how to grab this weed. It's not a weed, it's my flower. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the clothes store. Oh my god, I'm fucking living for this green little mini skirt. I hope it doesn't look stupid. I want them to make like super short shorts, super short skirts. Like I want it to look like me in real life. And I swear if this goes down to my knees, I need to try it on. Oh my god, little baseball shirts? I'm gonna look like a little cute baseball baddie. Let me try. Oh my god, yes. I'm gonna wear like no shorts underneath, so it looks like biker shorts. Gonna buy that. Please don't be a stupid skirt. I don't know. I think I can make it work. I don't know. Well, that's cute. See, I want to get the black one because, like, you know, I'm a big Sox fan now. But I feel like the classic red and white. Ew, what the I'm scared. I don't ever want to see that again. Those shoes are ugly. Honestly, they really need to step it up with their fashion sense. Like, this is just... It's, like, really not cute anymore. Maybe this. I could definitely do something with this. Kind of like the green one. Like little biker shorts almost. think I'm gonna keep my shoes on. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glasses off. I'm gonna put my little retro bag on. Butterfly shades? Oh, that's what I had. Is it? Oh yeah, that's what I had. Okay. Let's go talk to her with the ugly attitude. She's so fucking rude. It's like kind of annoying, like Mabel. Who is Mabel? Okay, I forgot. Sable. Like, it's been years. Get a grip. Okay, so I'll usually go, like, try to greet all my villagers except for Coach. I just 100% do not talk to him. Ew. Forgot this is his house. Unfortunately, I spoke to him when he was in my campsite, and I absolutely 100% did not want him to join my village, my island. I tried my hardest to, like, go on days and days without having to invite him. I don't know, I couldn't do it, and I was stuck with him. Honestly, I'm gonna bully him too. I'm not gonna talk to him. Look it. I mean, I guess that was cute. You look good. I guess he acts cute, but I'm not a fan. I kind of want to see Stella's house, but she's not here. Okay, here we go. Bunnie! One of my favorites, I'll never get rid of her. That's her house. That's her little tail. So yeah, on a regular day, I will just go around, greet my villagers, I will try to like usually rack up some Nook Miles tickets. But see, I'm not close. It's like, you know, 690. It's 2,000 to redeem. Oh, I can redeem that though. No, I can't. I hate myself. And I usually like try to complete those. And if I have enough Nook Miles tickets, I will like island hop and try to get new people. And recently I've been working on this as well. I have a big bridge that I'm building. My villagers have donated about 2 cents to this. So, should I donate all my money right now? No. I'll do like 10,000. I'm gonna do for today. Just wanted to come check in. So this is like a little short one. Like sometimes I will play for like an hour or longer and actually like try to get things done. But today's more of like a slow day. There's not really much to do or much going on in my opinion. I can't even build yet. So I just really have a lot of plan. So yeah, so I changed my outfit. Nothing really. You know, I only have 1 fossil. Don't really feel like doing anything. So I'm just gonna sign out for the day. Sign out like I'm working. Okay. And yeah, no one's in the campsite. So that's it. That was my little playing for today. I've been playing like just for 20 minutes. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I do in a little short day in my life in Animal Crossing. Island Girl is the name of my island, and I'll see you on the next video.